Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I last posted a video with my voice. So here I am. This is a video which I took back in June last year when I was in Bangladesh, the day before the flood came, the big flood. So I'm on my way to the Bazaar. There is no other vehicle going on the road because some parts of the road is flooded. So we got on a farm tractor. So this is a tractor that they use on farms. So we got on one of them, which we paid, I think we paid five taka per person. So there's three of us, plus other people on there. So as you can see, the road, this part is still dry. Soon you will see the other parts flooded. As you can see here, the fields, the rice fields, they're all flooded. And you can see the sky is dark, cloudy, grey. The nights, that's when the rain starts proper and everything gets flooded. So anyway, we are on our way to the bazaar, the market, to buy some vegetables and some fish. And also I was going to buy some clothes for myself. So yeah, so just follow and you'll see the water all around the road, and the road's flooded as well. This is our college, and that's the field. This is the college field. As you can see, it's already been flooded. And on the left side is the river as well, so you can't really see where is the river and which is the fields, because the river is overflowing. Far in the distance is the river. So yeah, so it was experience. It was not good. I wouldn't say it's a good experience. It was kind of like something different. I've never been involved in a flood before, or maybe when I was younger, before I moved to UK, there was floods, but not like this. This is something different. I got stuck in the house for almost 3 days. First day of the flood, I actually went out. I had one of these waterproof suit which I took from UK when I went to visit, thinking I'll go fishing and stuff, but didn't realize everything's gonna be flooded. So I did went out wearing that, where the water was waist deep. So yeah, as you can see here, the road is on this part of the road is flooded, and this is all river and the fields. You can't tell which is what. And here, see, the kids are fishing. You know, it was nice as well to see this kind of scenario, but also a bit sad to see people suffering. A lot of the people, obviously, their houses are flooded. People who have houses built with bricks, they kind of are okay, because after the water went down, they didn't have much to clean. Whereas people with clay flooring, mud flooring or mud houses, they had so much to clean. So it's proper bad situation for them. We ourselves had a family of 10 that wanted shelter, so luckily we had another house, a second house near our main house, which we use it for a poultry farm. So we gave all of them, they stayed on the second floor of that building. Yes, a lot of the people stayed in school, second floor of the school, in first floor of the college. So those were the shelters for the people who were worse affected, or people who didn't have a second floor. Like us, unfortunately, we had another floor. So everyone moved to the first floor. So yeah, so this is the flood of June 2022. So here we got stuck here, and there's a group of people who were actually expecting this driver to pick them up, but he picked us instead. Now these people have to wait for another vehicle, which he just sorted. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. You will like it, you will like the scenario and stuff. So this is in Bangladesh, my village. So enjoy, and if you like it, please give a like and subscribe my channel. I'll post more videos soon. Take care and please enjoy the full video.
Aku kerja yang mana?